You need to install your acoustical ceiling tiles. Is there a revealed edge that you need to cut and you've never done it before? Well, this video is going to show you how. All right, take your measuring tape. Be safe on the ladder. I'm going to start here with a small tile here. What you want to do is go to the wall, go to about the center of this grid and take a 1/4 inch off. That would give me 8 1/4 is the size tile I would need to cut. Make sure you have a sharp pencil and a straight edge. All right, 8 1/4 from the edge of the tile, not the revealed edge, the actual edge of the tile. 8 1/4. Now if you use a T-square, then you won't have to make 2 marks. Again, 8 1/4. The longer line. Use any straight edge. There's my mark there. To the utility knife, use a brand new utility blade. Score it lightly the first time. Lightly. Light pressure. Now it's scored. Now you can go through and push harder. All right, so here's our revealed edge. Protrudes underneath the suspended grid a little bit. And that's what we want for this side. But we're gonna have to cut that in. And this is how you do it. You just take your sharp pencil. I went ahead and sharpened that. And you just lightly trace it. Then you take your tile back out. Get it down where you can work on it. I'll show you the pencil mark. And that's going to be exactly the cut you want to make. I'm just going to take my time. Put some pressure on your straight edge so it doesn't slide around. Now go ahead and lightly score on top of that pencil mark. Just take my time. All right, this time I'll give it a little bit more pressure. It's very important to have a sharp, clean utility blade. So you're actually cutting and you're not ripping through. All right, so what I want to do is go about halfway down this tile. Get more pressure. Oop, I went off a little bit. All right. There we go. Nope, I have to get it back. Hey, if you screw up, it's not the end of the world. You should have some spare tiles. better with my right hand, so what I'm gonna do is put the blade right here at the halfway mark, and I'm just gonna cut in. I kind of use my fingers to keep it horizontal running through. That should be my revealed edge. I got a little shaky on it in this part, but like I said, I don't think it's gonna matter. It's gonna look good. If not, I do it over. You know, getting this loose in here out so the tile lays flat. All right, and we'll pop it in there and I'll show you what it looks like. And you can do this too. You just take your time. And there's my revealed edge. There we go. Revealed edge there. We had a water leak in this room, so that's why the tiles are getting replaced. There you go, nice and straight. So remember, light pencil mark, and it tells you exactly where you need to cut. And a brand new utility knife blade and a straight edge.